Hey, I'm Jordan Rondel. I am the caker and I live in Echo Park, Los Angeles. As I grew up, I knew that the kitchen was the place I wanted to be. I would kind of get home from school every day and push the homework aside and just bake. It's just all I wanted to do. I feel very lucky to have been able to turn my passion into a career to the point where I have to pinch myself some days and remember that I get up and do what I love every single day. Something important that my parents taught me about money was that you have to spend money to make money. My dad, like me, was a business owner. I think he taught me the value of investing money into your company in order for it to grow. I started to invest about a year ago. It's exciting because it's just a whole new world. I mean, there's so much to read and so much to learn. I really enjoy that feeling of seeing it grow, especially, you can go to bed and wake up in the morning and things might have changed. So that's really exciting. I'm learning about how to invest just through a lot of reading online. My peers all kind of dabbling in it as well. So, there's constant kind of chat about that. Actually, my sister, she has a very clear understanding of, the whole system. So she teaches me a lot every day. I am learning to be a bit more adventurous with my money. Because I'm a business owner, every dollar that I make is so valuable. And so it's been a little bit hard over the years to be comfortable with investing a big chunk of money. Finally, I'm excited by the fact that I can invest that money now and I'm a bit more free with it. I feel in control with my money when I'm being careful and intentional with it. I think it's really important if you are going to spend money for it to be a really intentional thing that you're spending it on, which involves doing your research, asking the right questions. Hopefully then it will pay off. I think the advice I would give to a young entrepreneur in my position is to scale slowly. So to scale involves taking small steps. One small step that I took to scale was buying a key piece of equipment that I needed in order to bake the cakes, which was my commercial oven in the first year.